Boys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my The Real Love Festival survival channel, and today's video is all about the titanium stove, wooden stove. This is titanium, going titanium number 11, guys and girls. Okay, number 11, titanium, going titanium number 11, and it's all about the TOMSHOO titanium wood stove. Okay, as you can see, I got it set up. I was going to do a bit of an unboxing video. There's the box there for it, and there's the stove set up. I've also got my Tokes 550 mug on there. The water's about to boil, hopefully, so I can make myself a nice cup of tea. So guys, let me just check it. Oh, look at that. It's come to a lovely boil. Let me just quickly show you. Just bear with me a second, guys. As you can see, that's really boiling away lovely. Basically, I brought me Baco Laplander, my Moira Companion. Please forgive me with the noise. I am in a city full of noise. I'm in my little garden today. I brought my little water pouch with me, the Viper pouch. And also, I've got myself a little spoon. I'll show you that in a second. Anyway, just bear with me, guys, as I put the camera back down. And I make myself a nice cup of tea. Remember, every time you're with fire, you're using fire, especially if there's any youngsters out there watching, remember to use gloves, okay? Just to protect your hands. You don't want to burn yourself. I don't want any youngsters to go and get some pots, wood stoves, and then end up burning themselves. So always use your gloves just to take that off the heat there. Okay, guys, so it's always handy to have your gloves just in case. Okay, so yeah, guys, I picked this up from Amazon. I believe it was in a sale. I've seen different prices ranging from £15 up to £22. I do believe I paid £22 for this one when I could have got it a lot cheaper. Anyway, guys, got it for £22 in the end, and I've seen them now for £15. Anyway, so yeah, very lightweight. If you want to scroll down in my video section and have a look at the videos I've been doing on the Going Titanium series. This is Going Titanium number 11, guys, and I'm out in my garden today. And okay, so the water's ready. Don't forget, guys, always use gloves if you're working with fire, and if you're going to use your Baco Laplander, always remember safety first. And if you want, get yourself some safety glasses as well. Okay, guys, bear with me. We are in a city, it's very noisy, so I've got this truck in the background making all that noise. So yeah, I've got my Baco Laplander. I've got my Moira Companion with me today. I've also got the Viper pouch, and I've got my carry my water bottle here. Like I was saying, got myself a little folding titanium spork as well. I think I picked this up for about £6. Nice little spork. It does come with a little bag, so that will go into my kit. Okay, alright, guys, so just bear with me while I get the stuff out to make myself a tea. So I've got myself a little small milk, got myself some sugar, and I got some tea bags. Okay, and that all comes in this pouch, in the Viper modular pouch. Okay, I've got other things in here like a little fire stash pot, various bits and pieces. I've also got my BRS titanium stove in here, but I'm not using the gas propane today. I'm just using the wooden stove. Alright, guys and girls, without further ado, carrying on. And you can see this TOMSHOO wood stove. You can load it in from the front there, which is really handy. Alright, guys, so let me just finish off making my tea. One tea bag and one sugar. If it's white sugar, I just take one. If it's brown sugar, I just take two. Okay, one sugar white there going in. Got my sugar, God bless you all, guys and girls. The Going Titanium series has been really good. Thanks to the guys that have been watching, following along the series. I've got my tea bag in there now. Okay, guys and girls, just let that brew a little bit. Get the milk ready. Got the milk in a little container there. And the TOMSHOO spork actually comes with a little bag as well, a little plastic bag. You can keep that or throw it away. But like I was saying, it does come with a little, oh, excuse me, that shouldn't be there. Terrible habit. And basically I was smoking a cigarette, guys, I'm going to be honest. Anyway, there's a bag that comes with a spork. Alright, guys and girls, so I was so happy with the product. I got two. Okay, this is how it comes in a box like that, and you get a little bag as well to fold up the stove. And like I said, it comes in a little box like that, nicely wrapped up, and you get a little card as well, a little TOMSHOO card, if you can see that, guys and girls. Alright, so yeah, it works really well. Still burning away there. I mean, I could have cooked a meal with that wood, but I was just doing a quick and easy video today, just making a cup of tea with the TOMSHOO wooden stove, wood burning stove. So let me just put my milk in there. Okay, and then we have a nice cup of tea. Right, it does come with it. That's the Toke's lid, and there you have a nice cup of tea, guys and girls. Well, guys and girls, thanks for watching the video today. If you want to like, share, subscribe, just scroll down, leave a message or a comment, and I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves out there. And today's video is all about the TOMSHOO titanium stove. And now I've actually forgotten how much it weighs, but I think it's about 150 grams or a lot less than that. Anyway, guys, just have a look on YouTube, and then you'll see the weight of the TOMSHOO stove. It's actually quite light and works very well. Okay, guys and girls, there's my cup of tea, there's me titanium TOMSHOO spork, and my Toke's cup, and I just have a quick sip. Oh yeah, another thing I just wanted to say, there's this plastic stuff that comes on the cup. I think it's, I can't remember the company that makes them, but it's called Hot Lips. Basically you put the plastic here, rubber here, and it stops you from burning your lips. Alright, guys and girls, thanks for watching the video. Like I was saying, if you want to comment, like, share, please do so. God bless you all, thumbs up from me. Be careful out there, and look after one another. Thanks very much for coming to watch the video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. I'm just going to walk around and turn it off now. So this has been Going Titanium number 11, guys and girls, and it's all about the TOMSHOO wooden stove, wood burning stove. Okay, guys and girls, fantastic bit of kit. Thumbs up from me, guys. God bless you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.